I'm filming! Hello everyone, it's me, Tremaine, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's still February, it's not quite spring yet, but I thought, you know, I'd bring spring just a teensy bit early for you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make this patterned jacket. Had a few hiccups along the way, but you know, it still turned out quite good actually. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, because I actually want to speak to you guys. I just want to see like your views and the videos and everything, you know, and subscribe, because this month I am making videos on a Saturday. I'm just trying something out. Let's do it. Let's do it.
We do it for the kids, do it for the culture, do it for the turn up. Who told you heaven don't party like this? Who lied to you? Tell them it's Friday in the morning, but in heaven the soul is live for you. Live for the king like I'ma die yesterday. Call my mama to pray. Did everything I remember like yesterday. On her knees she will stay. Hotline the heavens fall. Like Jesus, will you help us in every way? We can't do it alone, we need you. Just like every day. Woo! Yeah, way up in the skies like living my time just trying to get my.
Okay, get a top that fits you loosely and trace around half of it. Trace in the back and the front of the top. Mark down 4 cm from the neckline and extend the hem by 10 cm. Draw a diagonal line from the neckline through the point where you have marked down and to the extended hem. Add a 1 cm seam allowance all the way around and cut it out. Trace the back on a separate piece of paper and cut it out. Trace the sleeve as well and cut it out. I made the sleeve 9 inches long. Make sure that you trace the front and the back because they are different shapes. I extended the size by 5 cm for more flare and add your seam allowance. Cut these pieces out onto your fabric. This fabric is from an old dress I had, so I've saved all the hems so I don't have to sew them.
Time just trying to get my life right. My God never fails, so I'm here another tale. Living for the king of king, what do you think this is?
Now this is the part when I realised I didn't cut out enough of the back, so I had to cut an extra piece to add onto the back.
Got me like, yeah, way up in the skies like.
Then you can sew the shoulders together. I also created a facing for a cleaner edge on the jacket collar. Attach the facing onto the edge of the jacket and the collar and sew. I also top stitched the edge of the facing on the inside of the jacket and sewed the facing on the onto the jacket. Sew the sides of the jacket together. I cut deeper into the armhole so that they fit on my body. would be better, and the sleeve would fit better. And now for the sleeves. On the sleeves I made 2 notches, one for the front and 2 for the back. Sew a gather stitch in between those notches on a loose stitch. Pull the 2 loose threads at each side and gather. This helps it fit better in the armhole. Sew the 2 sides of the sleeve together and sew the sleeve into the armhole, and you're done. One DIY pattern jacket.
Yeah, way up in the skies, like living my time, just trying to get my life right. My God never fails, so I'ma hit another tail. Living for the king of kings, what do you think this is? Got me like.
Hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment in the comments below. And subscribe because I'm going to be making videos on Saturdays. Yay! Hope you have a great rest of your Saturday. Peace, love, and Jesus. Amen. Jesus Lord. Bye.
Do you believe in love? You'll find it here. Do you believe in love? You'll find it. Do you believe in love? You'll find it.
I don't know if you can hear that, but there's just someone laughing uncontrollably next door.